I'm going to finish getting ready and take you guys along with me. I haven't had my coffee, so my energy is a little like down. I'm gonna stop and get some coffee, get the kids like a light snack, and we're gonna head over to my mom's. So come on with us. Before we get into it, I just want to make it known that I was going to my mom's house to chill, to kick my feet up, catch a nap, you know, while she watched the kids. But apparently she had other plans for me, so I'm going to show you how I started her raised bed garden. So enjoy. We built mama bed. Yep. We built her a bed. And this is my first time building it. Johnny usually builds mine, but we did it. Okay guys, so here's mom's bed, and we just had 4 pieces of wood. My brother and I used the power drill to drill nails in the 4 corners to keep it together. She's gonna go purchase brackets, I think. And then underneath this black landscape fabric is scrap cardboard from like the garage, from all like Amazon packages and stuff, to keep the grass from growing in. And then on top of the cardboard we put landscaping fabric, and we're gonna put dirt inside, and then she'll be ready to plant. So pretty easy. I just want to show you guys the progress. So now they're filling it with, oh, look at that little bag of topsoil. Yeah, with topsoil.
And this topsoil has pig moss.
Oh, so she got fancy topsoil.
It was $2.97.
Yeah. She should have got the dollar topsoil. Oh, cute. We're about to fill away. Okay, so we got my mom's bed completely filled, and now we are going to start putting some crops down. I have these white onion sets that I got from Walmart. They were 3 cents. I literally just bought them maybe like a week ago. They're clearing out the gardening area to make room for the holiday stuff.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think that's the apple tree.
Think it's the apple tree?
It smells like apple.
Oh yeah, it could be pear though, Ma. Mom just discovered a fruit tree in her yard. She's sitting on a gold mine over here and she doesn't even know. So yeah, we're gonna put these down, a few of these down, and then I also have some red onion seeds, so we're gonna put some of those down. Let's see how they do. So they just look like this. These are super easy, guys, so if you're a beginner gardener like myself, you just buy the onion set that have been put into dormancy and then just put them in the dirt with the root side up. So this little stem at the top, you just put that pointing upwards. What'd you say, Ma?
No,
I don't know about these, Ma. They feel kind of empty. Like, what's inside of them? We're gonna see. Hey guys, this one is already have a little
sprout.
Green friend coming out. That's good, Ma. I'm thinking these things look empty. Alright, so we're just gonna cover it.
Slightly, right?
Yep. Alright, so we got some onion bulb seeds, some red onion bulb seeds. And I'm going to drop a few of those down. Look how small these seeds are. They're so tiny. Oh, I'm also gonna plant her some green beans. These are bush beans and they grow really fast. I've already harvested in my own garden a few of these, so I'm gonna put some of these down for her. It's really not too late in the season to do these because of the zone that we're in. We still have like at least 2 more months of summer. It gets really hot. We're in zone 7B and summer lasts forever around here. So I'm gonna plant her some green beans. Mom is fancy, she got spinach, so we're gonna put some spinach down. That looks like that. Still small, but light in color. I'm just gonna drop them on top. It's about to rain. Mom, you scared?
No.
Don't be scared of the storm. Mustards are so tiny.
That's why we have to have the faith.
You got it. All right.
That's how big our faith have to be.
That's it.
The size of a mustard seed.
I never saw a mustard seed until I saw these seeds.
Mm-hmm. So it lets you know we only have to have a, what? Little bit?
Little bit. But we're going to cover up this little bit of faith right here.
That little bit of faith.
It's going to give us some seeds.
And we going to have faith that is going to grow into something big.
You got mustards. You got 2 rows of spinach, cabbage, 2 rows of mustards, and then your kale's going to go on the other side. Hey everybody, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I start my fall garden. Right now it's like mid-summer, and this is when you want to start your seedlings for your fall crops. Fall crops meaning cabbage, carrots, kale, collards, mustards, all of those I'm gonna start in these little seed starting trays, and later on, once they start to sprout, I will transplant them into my actual garden, into the raised beds that I have. So I got these little black seed starting trays from Home Depot and Lowe's. They basically give these away for free. If you ask for them, they will give them to you, and they're just little plastic, black plastic seed starting trays. And I filled these wells with the Kellogg's, wait, what is it called? The Organic Gardening Kellogg's soil. So I use that, and I'll try to insert a picture of it in this clip to show you what the bag looks like, so you know exactly what to get. But you guys, this is my first time doing a fall garden, so I'm just going to drop these seeds, cover them up, and water. That's all I know to do. And then later on I'll come on here as we go along to show you how to put them in the garden beds. So that's all. So we're gonna do some spinach. If you watched, I don't know if this will be on the same vlog, but I did my mom's garden and she wanted spinach, so I put some of these spinach seeds down. I'm gonna put these down in here. It says on the back, you know, you'll get instructions on when and how and which zone to plant your seeds, but you wanna sow directly in the garden as early as late summer for fall. It says seed again in late summer for a fall harvest. So these I'm not gonna put, it says sow directly, so I'm not gonna put into these little wells. I'm gonna put those directly into the garden. Oop, oop, get out of there. Get out of there. All right, so I have some edamame seeds, and I love edamame. So I just want to grow, I wanna grow stuff that I know that I will eat. So this says full sun, 3 inches apart, 1 inch deep. So I'm gonna put these in this edamame in the smaller wells. I'm not really sure how they grow, so and this is what they look like. They look like the edamame that you eat. So it says sow 3 inches apart, 1 inch deep. So I'm gonna throw one into each well, or each little tray. So I'm gonna just put that in, push it down with my finger. That's about 1 inch, and cover it up. And I'm gonna do that to each one. Cover it up. I should be wearing gloves, but I don't know where my gloves are, and I'm definitely gonna go take a shower right after this. So I just covered up those seeds, and I'll do that on this side as well. Ooh, I have some parsley, and I'm going to drop 1 to 2 seeds in each one, and then press it down with my finger and cover it up. Press it, cover. That's parsley. Hey everyone, I just wanted to film like some kind of an outro for this video because I never picked up the camera after I finished potting or planting my seeds for my fall garden. And when I was editing, as usual, I'm like, I can't just leave them hanging like that. But anyways, listen, I just wanted to show you guys how, well, once I figured out that I was doing a garden for my mom, I figured I would record. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. I get a lot of questions about, you know, I want to start gardening, but I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start. So hopefully this helps, especially if you want to do like a raised garden bed. If you don't want to do a raised garden bed, you can generally do the same steps that we did, just in pots, and you can skip the the cardboard and the grow pots. You can skip all of that and just put your potting or your raised garden bed soil into your containers, drop your seeds, and literally that is it. Just water it. You can read the the back of your seed packets if you like, just for a little bit of extra information, and you just basically go from there. But I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. Listen, gardening, I never really thought that I would like it as much as I do. It just brings me so much peace. I love seeing things grow. I've cut down on the grocery bill just a little bit, and eventually when we go vegan or vegetarian, I'll have my vegetables right in the backyard. Like, it's just perfect to me. So I hope you guys like this kind of content. I hope you find it useful, and let me know if you start your fall garden down in the comments and what you're gonna grow. I really want to know. I love talking about it. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching The Mom Company, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.